The Surface Laptop option was chosen specifically for our staff who require portability and ease of use, as well as computing power to run intense applications such as graphic design, video and photo editing. It offered us compact, get up and go functionality, along with the computing gusto for intense softwares. So, given our remote working environments, these laptops are often used on kitchen counters, coffee tables, and work desks. Now, we expect the hybrid work environment to continue for the foreseeable future. So we wanted to make sure that our staff has access to devices that they enjoy, that they're productive with, and that are matched to their own individual needs. So that's where color options, screen sizes, processing options, all of those things become very important because they help individualize their devices.
We are used in Formula One to be very close to each other, to achieve more in less time. Having Microsoft as a partner for our Formula One team obviously open doors. This kind of technology actually bring people together. The speed at which the laptop is starting and shutting down, it's quite important. The fact that we can collaborate even if we are far from each other, and probably it will change the way we work.
Most of the feedback for the Microsoft laptops were very positive. They liked the keyboards, they liked the design. Thanks to White Glove and Intune and the modern tools that we have there, it turned out to be very feasible to ask the people to open up the box, select your Wi-Fi, and from then on, software installation went automatically. This is indeed a big step forward. Just opening your laptop and it's immediately on.
It was really nice to see that a Microsoft device designed around Office 365 would really help with productivity with our teams that are ultimately working on these technologies day in, day out. So security is obviously key for any organization, even more so in local government where we work with sensitive data all of the time. So having a device with great security features gives us the reassurance that we're working in a safe manner whilst we're keeping our citizens' data very safe.
Pandemic hit and we had a significant demand in our organization for Surface laptops. And the Surface laptop met sort of the webcam requirements, the ease of use requirements, the quick setup requirements, high performance, and just great sort of interfacing with the Microsoft Teams ecosystem. So when we had that really significant demand of clinical devices, the Surface laptop really met the requirements. We had to do things so rapidly. One of the big worries and risks was that we might take on sort of security vulnerabilities without realizing it. But looking at the Microsoft architecture, looking at how well the two products sort of interplay and connect with one another, we felt very confident that the environment and the technology we were putting in the provider's hands was strongly secure. I'm excited to see what other possibilities start to open up. And just seeing how our clinicians are operating now, I can't imagine what this being in their hands for 5 years looks like and what they're able to do in the next 2 years.
The biggest issues that we were really trying to solve for was people weren't able to collaborate easily. People weren't able to be mobile, and productivity was a little bit slowed down by the technology. Something as simple as, I pull this out, I know this device will work, I know it's reliable, I know it's updated, maintained, and patched well, no matter where I am in the world, going from work to home or back and forth, this is what they need to use every single day to stay productive and to stay working. The things that I'm looking forward to for our users about Surface Laptop 4 are being able to have a big increase in jumping from our current line of processors up until the Intel 11th Gen processors is going to be big for us. Video conferencing and being able to jump on from your device has become such an incredibly important part of how everyone's working, and making sure that they're well seen, well heard, and understood is critical as ever.